Good evening, children. Good evening, children. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yes, children, please take down this figure. Let's children. So for this figure, we have to answer 8 questions. We have 8 subdivisions. So this is the first one. So I'm not writing all the 8 questions first. We'll just take one and solve it, then go to the next one. Yeah, so the solution for the first subdivision. What is the relationship between angle 1 and angle 5?
Corresponding angles, ma'am.
Corresponding angles, ma'am.
Are they equal? See, they are corresponding
Yes, ma'am.
angles, but the next question is, are they equal or not? They are equal. Why are they equal? How do you say that they are equal? Because
Line AB and CD are parallel, ma'am.
yeah, because AB is parallel to CD. Because AB is parallel to CD, the corresponding angles 1 and 5 are equal. So AB parallel to CD, transversal T. Or you can write T is a transversal T. We have angle 1 is equal to angle 5, corresponding angles. So angle 1 is given to be 120 minus x and angle 5 is 5x. So 120 is equal to 5x plus x, 6x. So x is equal to 120 by 6, 20. The value of x is 20. So the measure of angle 1 is equal to 120 minus x. That is 120 minus 20, which is 100 degrees. Now, without working, tell me what will be the measure of angle 5? What will be the measure of angle 5? If angle 1 is 100 degrees, what will be the measure of angle 5?
100, ma'am, because corresponding angles are equal.
Yeah. So since angle 1 is equal to angle 5, corresponding angles are equal. We got angle 1 is 100. Angle 5 is also 100. But you can just work it because I asked you to find angle 1 and angle 5. So you can work 5 is equal to 5x degrees. So that's 5 into 20, 100. Sorry, 5 into 20, 100 degrees. Yeah, please take down, children. Please take down. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. The next one. Next one, children. Second subdivision. If angle 4 is equal to x plus 20 for the same figure, okay? And angle 5 is equal to x plus 8 degrees. Find the measures of angle 4 and 5. Find the measures of angle 4 and angle 5. 4 and angle 5. Yeah. So what is the relationship between angle 4 and angle 5? What is the relationship between angle 4 and angle 5?
Angles, ma'am.
Co-interior angles. Yeah, they're co-interior
They are
angles.
supplementary, ma'am.
And they are?
Ma'am, if we add them, they are
180 degrees, ma'am. They add up to 180.
Correct. Correct. Because the lines are parallel. Because the lines are parallel, co-interior angles are supplementary. If the lines were not parallel, 4 and 5 are still co-interior angles. In such a figure, you know, where two lines are cut by a transversal, 4 and 5 are co-interior angles. They are co-interior angles, whether the lines are parallel or not parallel, they are co-interior angles by their position. If the lines are parallel, co-interior angles are supplementary. If the lines are not parallel, they are co-interior angles, but they are not supplementary, or they will not be supplementary. So here 4 and 5 are co-interior angles and they are supplementary because the lines are parallel. So again, same thing, AB parallel to CD and T is a transversal. T is the transversal. Angle 4 plus angle 5, not angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees because they are co-interior angles. Now angle 4 is given to be x plus 20. Angle 5 is given to be x plus 8 is equal to 180. 2x plus 28 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 28, which is 160, 152. X is equal to 76. X is equal to 76. Now angle 4 is equal to x plus 20. X plus 20, that is 76 plus 20, 96 degrees. And angle 5 is equal to x plus 8, which is 76 plus 8, which is 84 degrees. Please write down, children. Done, children? It over, children?
Completed, ma'am.
Right?
Completed, ma'am.
All right, yeah. Third subdivision, same figure. I told you, children, same figure, third subdivision. If angle 2 is equal to 3x minus 10, 3x minus 10 degrees, and angle 8 is equal to 5x minus 30, 5x minus 30 degrees. Determine the measures of angle 2 and 8. Determine what? Find the measures of angle 2 and angle 8. So what's the relationship between 2 and 8, children? What is the relationship between 2 and 8?
no relation, ma'am.
Who's that no relation? There's no relation between 2 and 8?
Ma'am, sorry ma'am, I thought 3 and 8 ma'am.
No, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. See, 2 and 8.
Exterior angles are equal, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Tanishka, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We won't say just exterior angles. We'll say alternate exterior angles are equal. Alternate exterior. The term alternate is very important. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Very good. All right. Okay, so Sanjay, I know that even you know that very well. Maybe that's what, as you told me, it was a mistake. You thought angle 3. Okay. So this is the solution. Angle 2 is equal. Okay, let's write that again. AB parallel to. So again, AB is parallel to CD and T is a transversal. T is the transversal. T is a transversal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8, alternate exterior angles, because they're alternate exterior angles. So they're equal. Angle 2 is 3x minus 10 degrees. Okay, and angle 8 is 5. This is, you should equate, because angle 2 is equal to angle 8. So 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 30. So minus 2x is equal to minus 20, x is equal to 10. Solve for x, x is equal to 10. So angle 2 is equal to 3 into x minus 10, that is 3 into 10 minus 10, 30 minus 10, 20. And angle 8 is equal to, you'll get the same answer because they're equal, 5x minus 30 degrees, which is 5 into 10 minus 30, 50 minus 30, 20 degrees. So they're equal.
Completed, ma'am.
Good. Next one. Can I clear the slide, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
All right. So the fourth subdivision, if angle 1 is equal to 2x plus y degrees and angle 6 is equal to 3x minus y degrees. 1 is 2x plus y and 6 is 3x minus y. Correct. Find the measures of angle 2 in terms of y. Find the measure of angle 2 in terms of y. Find the measure of angle 2 in terms of y. Yes, children. Angle 1 and angle 6 are given to you. You need to find the measure of angle 2 in terms of y. So what is given? 2, 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Any connection between 1 and 6?
Corresponding angles, ma'am.
No ma'am. No connection ma'am.
1 and 6 are not corresponding angles.
No relation ma'am.
There is no relation. Correct. There is no relation. Now, how can you, what can you do to, okay, write down the question, children. Please write down the question and then look at the figure. We have to try to bring some connection. Written the question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, what is we are given an expression for angle 1 and angle 6. We are given an expression for angle 1 and angle 6. Now, to work, you have to bring some connection between these two angles. If not these two angles directly, with the help of some other angle. Angle 1 and angle 6. And the thing is, you need to you don't have to find any angle here. You'll have to find the measure of angle 2 in terms of y. Find the measure of angle 2 in terms of y. So see, what is there any connection between 1 and 6? No. But what do you say about 1 and 3, children? What do you say about 1 and 3?
1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles.
So they're equal, right? Whatever is 1 is 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now can you bring a relation between 3 and 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are they?
Co-interior angles, ma'am.
Interior
Co-interior
angles.
angles, and they're supplementary. That is one way. That's one way. Otherwise, now there is no relation between angle 1 and angle 6. See, why are we talking about angle 1 and angle 6? Because we are given expressions for angle 1 and 6. So 1 and 6, they're not directly connected. So you can use the concept of vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So whatever is 1 is 3. And now 3 and 6 are co-interior angles and they're supplementary. So you can add both the expressions and equate it to 180. That's one way. Or what is the relation between 1 and 5? 1 and 5.
Corresponding
Corresponding angles,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So whatever is 1 is 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what is the relation between 5 and 6?
Linear pair, ma'am.
Linear pair
Linear
angles,
pair.
ma'am.
Linear pair. Same thing you will get. You will add and equate it to 180. So you will not get a different equation. You will get the same equation, but the reason will be different. Or you can do this. What is the relationship between 6 and 2? Angle 6 and angle 2.
Corresponding angles, ma'am.
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles. 6 and 2 are corresponding angles. So they are equal. Whatever is the expression for 6, the same will be for 2. Now what is the relationship between 1 and 2?
Linear pair
Linear
angles.
pair.
Linear pair, ma'am.
Linear pair, linear pair. And in this quiz, so like this, you have different ways, children. You have different ways. Now, so you can do all these. I hope you all understood. To bring the relation, you can make the help of some other property, like vertically opposite angles or corresponding angles, something like that. Now here what we'll do, so we'll execute one of it. So you know that angle 2 and 6 are equal. Angle 2 and 6 are equal. Okay, so now what you could do is angle 6 is equal to angle 2, corresponding angles are equal. Now we'll bring the relation between 2 and 1. 2 and 1 form a linear pair. So they add up to 180. They add up to 180. Let's work that. Again. We start working. I'm getting a phone call. I'll just get back to you. Please continue. You cannot solve this. Just add and get the next step. I'll just Yes, children. Sorry. Yeah, where were we? Angle 1 plus 2. This is 3x minus y. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yeah, 1 minute. So 3x minus y. So
I have a doubt, ma'am.
yeah, 1 minute. Let me just finish this. No, x is equal to, yeah, I'll help you. I'll just finish this. X is equal to 3 is 36. X is equal to 36 degrees. Now we need to find angle 2. What is angle 2? Angle 2 is equal to 3x minus y. So 3 into 36 minus y. 8, 1 carry 108 minus y. So we found angle 2 in terms of y. Yes, Sanjay? Yes, Sanjay?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. In the question, angle 6 is given as 3x minus y, ma'am. Say the
Yeah.
3x plus y, ma'am. So, ma'am.
Yeah, I corrected it by mistake. Yeah, I corrected that. Yeah, sorry. I corrected it. First, when I had written it as plus y, that's why when I said I'll just get back after the call, I told you that you will not be able to solve and get the value of x or y. Yeah, then only when I started working again, I realized that I had made a mistake there. Okay, finish it, children.
Completed, ma'am.
So in this one, we are given an expression for angle 1 and angle 6. But from the figure, we see that angle 1 and angle 6 have no relation. So we try to, with the given information, you will have to try establish a relationship between some two angles, and using that property, you'll have to proceed. Maybe they're equal or maybe they're supplementary. So you need to establish a relationship and proceed with that relation. But now angle 1 and angle 6, they're not related. So what we said, angle 6 is equal to 2. Angle 6 is equal to angle 2. Because corresponding angles are equal. So whatever is given for 6 is 2. Angle 6 is equal to angle 2 corresponding angles. So what is 6? 3x minus y. So 2 is 3x minus y because 6 and 2 are equal. So 2 is also 3x minus y degrees. Now there is a relation between 1 and 2, angle 1 and angle 2. They form a linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Angle 1 is 2x plus y. And angle 2 is 3x minus y is equal to 180. So plus y minus y cancels out. 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 36. Now, what is the question? We got the value of x, but what is it we'll have to answer? You need to find the measure of angle 2 in terms of y. You need to find 2, angle 2. Okay, so what is angle 2? Angle 2 is equal to 3. Oh my God. Angle 2 is equal to 3x minus y. So substitute, we got the value of x. So 3 into 36 minus y, 108 minus y. So see, we have got angle 2. We have got angle 2 in terms of y. We have not got the magnitude of angle 2. We have got the magnitude of the measure of angle 2 in terms of y. It is 108 minus y. Angle 2 is equal to 108 minus y. So we found the measure of angle 2 in terms of y. You understand that, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can also do it like this. 2x plus y, 3x minus 5. Okay. So you can also do it like this. What was given, children? Angle 1 is equal to 3. No, I'll forget. What is it? 3. What is angle 1?
2x plus y, ma'am.
2x plus y, ma'am.
Yeah. Angle 1 is 2x plus y, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about angle 6?
3x minus y, ma'am.
3x minus y. So you can also work it like this. What can you do? Now we said 6 is equal to 2 and then 1 plus 2 is 180. We can do this. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Anything, or you can say angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Anything. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So if we do that, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to 3 or angle 3 is equal to angle 1. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 3 is also 2x plus y degrees. Now, what is the relation between 3 and 6? They are co-interior angles and they are supplementary. So angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So 3 is 2x plus y and 6 is 3x minus y is equal to 180. Plus y minus y. 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 36. X is equal to 36. Now, if you do it like this, we need to find 2 in terms of y. So for that, you should use, this relation angle 1 plus angle 2, because how do you find 2? How do you find 2? You can use anything. You can use this, or you can even say angle 6 is equal to 2. See here, angle 6 is, because you'll have to find 2. You'll have to find 2 in terms of y. So now you can say angle 2 is equal to 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6 because they are corresponding angles. Now, why are we writing this? See, using this relation, we got the value of x, but we have not answered the question. We have to write angle 2 in terms of y. So angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Corresponding angles are equal. So angle 2 is equal to, what is 6? What is 6? 3x minus y. So angle 2 is equal to 3 into 36 minus y. So angle 2 is equal to 108 minus y degrees. They're the same thing. Got the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll be getting the value of, by solving, you'll get the value of x. But to find 2 in terms of y, you should again bring some other relation. Angle 2 is equal to what? Or you can also use this relation, children. Or, you can also say angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. Why are we writing this? Because we have to find 2. So now this condition has 2 in it. So what is angle 1? 2x plus y. Or you can directly do this. Angle 2 is equal to, okay, both are the same. Fine. Angle 1 is equal to what? What is angle 1? 2x plus y. Plus angle 2 is, because you'll have to find 2. So have 2 as it is equal to 1. Angle 1 is 2x plus 5, children. 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 180. So 2 into x is 36 plus y plus angle 2 is equal to 180. All right. So this is, how much is this? 72. Yeah. My plus y plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 72 minus y. Angle 2 is equal to 108 minus 1. I'll read it out for you. Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180. Linear pair axiom. Why are we writing this? Because we have to find 2 in terms of y. Then what is angle 1? 2x plus y. Plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Write 2 as it is. We have to find 2 only. So write 2 as angle 2. Now 2x plus y meaning 2 into 36 plus y plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So 72 plus y plus angle 2 is 180. Now have only angle 2 on one side. Take everybody else to the other side. Take all the other terms to the RHS. Angle 2 alone on one side, the rest on the other side. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 72 minus y. 180 minus 72 is 108. 108 minus 1. So angle 2 is equal to 108 minus 1. You can do it like this. Fifth one. Done, children? I'm not in a hurry. Let me know if you all finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, all of you?
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, the same figure, fifth subdivision. If angle 2 is equal to 2x plus 30 degrees, angle 4 is equal to angle 4 is equal to x plus 2y degrees, and angle 6 is equal to 3y plus 10 degree. Find the measure of angle 5. Find the measure of angle 5. 2x plus 30, x plus 2y, 3y plus 10. All right, yes to 2. 2, 4, and 6. Write down the question. Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. So 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, 6. Is 2 equal to 4, children?
Yes, ma'am. They are
Yes,
vertically
ma'am. Vertically
opposite.
opposite angles, ma'am.
Is 2 equal to 6?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Corresponding
Corresponding
angles, ma'am.
angle.
Is 4 equal to 6?
Yes, ma'am. Alternate
Yes, ma'am.
interior angle.
Alternate interior angles, ma'am.
So what do we understand from this? Can you say what conclusion do you come to? Say something, whatever comes to your mind, meaning whatever understanding you get.
Angle 2 is equal to angle
2,
4. Angle 4
and
is
angle
equal to
6
angle
all are
6.
equal, ma'am.
Yeah, all are equal. Correct. Well, all of you thought on the same lines. Very good. All are equal because angle 2 is equal to 4. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. And angle 6 is equal to angle 2. It's like 1 is equal to 2. It's like A is equal to B. B is equal to C. And C is equal to A. That means all A, B, C, all the three are equal. Okay, just imagine. Okay, let's take this 1 minute. Now, supposing A is equal to B. So A and B are equal. No, so let's say they have 10 rupees each. Okay, now B and C. B is equal to C. So B has 10 rupees. No, so C also should have 10 rupees. So that means they have 10. This itself is enough. This itself is enough because how much A has 10 rupees? How much B has 10 rupees? How much C has 10 rupees? So A, B, C. If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, A is equal to B is equal to C. This is enough. But in addition to this, you also have C is equal to A. You don't need this at all. Here itself, A is equal to B is equal to C. Here itself, A is equal to B is equal to C. Because when you say A and B are equal, so let's assume they have the same amount of money, 50 rupees. B and C are equal. But B has 50 rupees. You cannot take 60 rupees here because B has 50 rupees. So if B is equal to C, then C also has 50 rupees only. Now, what do you understand from this? A has 50 rupees. A has 50 rupees. B has 50 rupees. C has 50 rupees. So from these two statements, it's clear that A is equal to B is equal to C. That's all. Two statements are enough. So let me write it for you. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. But angle 4 is equal to angle 6. That means angle 2 is equal to 4 is equal to angle 6. That's all. Okay. So the solution is okay. What is the relation between 2 and 4? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So that means 2x plus 30 degrees is equal to x plus 2y. So from this, what do you get? 2x minus x minus 2y is equal to minus 30. X minus 2y is equal to x minus 2y is equal to minus 30. This is like the first equation. Then you also have angle 4 is equal to 6. Alternate interior angles are equal. Or you can even do 2 is equal to 6. Corresponding angles are equal. Anything. You can do 2 is equal to 6 or 4 is equal to 6, whatever. You tell me, children, which one do you want me to write? You have 2, 4, and 6. We have written 2 is equal to 4 vertically opposite angles. Next, what shall we do?
Angle 4 is equal to angle
4
6.
angle 6, ma'am.
What is the other thing we have?
Angle 2 and angle 6.
Angle 2, angle 6.
Angle 2 and angle 6. So anything we can do. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6 because alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 4 is x plus 2y is equal to angle 6, 3y plus 10. So x plus 2y minus 3y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 10 is the second equation. Now we need to solve these two equations. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. And equation 2 we get. Write the equations one below the other. Write the two equations one below the other. You should decide if you should change the signs throughout in the second equation or not. That you should decide. Now here you have to change the sign because x plus x is 2x, but x minus x is 0. So you have to change the signs. Only then x and x can get cancelled. X and minus x can get cancelled. So then you can find the value of y. So changing the signs throughout in the second equation. Changing the signs throughout in the second equation. Whatever is the sign, take the opposite sign now. X minus x cancels. Minus 2y plus y minus y is equal to minus 40. So y is equal to 40. Now to find the value of x, substitute y is equal to 40 in equation anything 1 or 2 in equation 2. Okay, so x minus y is equal to 10. X minus 40 is equal to 10. X is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. Now the question is to find the measure of angle 5. What is the measure of angle 5? What will be the measure of angle 5? So you should again bring some relation. Angle 1 is equal to 5, right? Or, okay, what is the relationship between 5 and 6? Linear pair. Linear pair. Basically anything, children. So it's not this only method of working. You can use a different idea also. So now we need to find the measure of angle 5. So connect it. 5 plus 6 is equal to 180. Why are we writing this? To find angle 5. Angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Co-interior angle. Oh no, sorry. Linear pair axiom. Linear pair. So what is 5? 5 is what we have to find, sorry. What is 6? 6 is 3y plus 10. 3y plus 10. So that means you don't even have to find x. 3y plus 10 is equal to 180. You don't even have to find x, children, because with y itself, see here we don't need the value of x at all. Okay, so y is 40. So angle 5 plus 3 into 40 plus 10 is equal to 180. Angle 5 plus 3 into 40 is 120 plus 10, 130 is equal to 180. X is so angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 130. Angle 5 is equal to 50 degrees. So the measure of angle 5 is equal to 50 degrees. Please take down.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you show the next slide, ma'am?
Sure, sorry. Done, children?
Ma'am, can you please show the previous slide, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Done, children? All of you finished writing?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
1 second, ma'am.
Okay, which slide? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just a second, children. I'm getting a call again. Yes, children. This is the next question. If angle 2 is twice angle 1, if the measure of angle 2 is twice the measure of angle 1, find angle 7. 2 and 1. What is the relationship between 2 and 1? Angle 2 and angle 1?
Linear pair.
Linear pair angle, ma'am.
Linear pair. Now tell me, what can we do here? What should I write?
Ma'am, angle 2 plus angle 1 equals to 180, ma'am.
Very good. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, linear pair axiom. Okay, then after that?
Angle 1 plus 2 angle 1.
Yeah, because it's given angle 2 is twice of angle 1. So angle 2 is twice of angle 1 is equal to 180. Very good. Then what is angle 1 plus twice of angle 1? Like what is
3
A plus
times
2?
angle 1.
3 angle 1, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, it's a 3 angle 1.
3 angle 1.
3 times angle 1. Correct. 3 times angle 1 is equal to 180. So angle 1 is equal to 180 by 3. Angle 1 is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So then what is angle 2? How much is angle 2 then? Okay, 1 minute. We have to find angle 7. Angle 7 and 1 and 7 are related, no?
Alternate exterior angle, ma'am.
Alternate exterior angles. 1 and 7 are related. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Alternate exterior angles are equal. So we don't have to find angle 2 also. We don't have to find angle 2. Okay, since we have to find angle 7 is equal to angle 1. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are equal. So angle 7 is equal to 60 degrees. Because 1 is 60 degrees, 7 is also 60 degrees. Please write down, children. Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, the next one. If the ratio of the measures of angle 3 and angle 8 is 4:5 find the measures of angle 3 and 8. Find the measures of angle 3 and angle 8. If the ratio of the measures of angle 3 and angle 8 is 4:5, find the measures of angle 3 and 8. Yes, children, please try this. I'll get back. Yes, children.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Very good.
Completed, ma'am.
Very
Angle
good.
3 is 80 degree and angle 8 is 100 degree, ma'am.
Same answer I also got,
Three.
ma'am.
Very good. 3 is 80 degrees and 8 is 100 degrees. Okay, we'll see. 80 and 100, it's correct. Yeah, because ratio is 4:5. Perfect. Yes. So what is the connection between 3 and 8? What is the connection
There
between
is
3?
no connection,
No
ma'am.
connection,
But
ma'am.
3 and
No
4 are
connection.
linear pair and 4 is equal to 8.
Very good. Yeah, 4 is equal to 8. Very good. You can do that. Or you can say angle 3 is equal to angle 7. And 7 plus 8 is and 7 plus 8 is 180. Linear pair.
Ma'am, I did it as angle 8 is equals to angle 6 because it's vertically opposite angles, ma'am. And angle 3 and angle 6 are coincident angles which add up to 180, ma'am.
Correct, correct. Danya, what was your idea?
Ma'am, I have done like angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 and angle 4 is equal to angle 8 corresponding angle.
Correct, correct. Correct. Okay, so angle 3 is equal to let angle 3 be equal to 4x degrees and let angle 5. Oh my God, where am I? Angle 3 and angle 8 be equal to 5x degrees. 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5, so 4x and 5x. Angle 3, angle 8. Angle 3 is 4x and angle 8 is 5x. Now, so you can say angle 8. Okay, yeah. So you can say angle 8 and 6 and 8 vertically opposite angles, they're equal. Angle 8 is equal to angle 6. Angle 8 is equal to angle 6, or 6 is equal to 8. Angle 6 is equal to angle 8 because vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 6 also is equal to 5x degrees. Angle 6 is 5x because 6 and 8, they're equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. 6 is, since 8x is 5x, sorry, since angle 8 is 5x degrees, 6 is also 5x degrees because 6 and 8 are equal, vertically opposite angles. Now 3 and 6 are co-interior angles. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So 3 is 4x and this is 5x is equal to 180. 9x is equal to 180. X is equal to 20. So you got x. Now you need to find angle 3 and 8. Angle 3 is equal to 4x. That is 4 into 20, 80 degrees. And angle 8 is equal to 5x, which is 5 into 20, 100 degrees. Very good. Yeah, please take down, children. We have one more subdivision and we'll finish this one. Yeah. Finish, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm just about to clear the slide. If the complement of angle 5 equals the supplement of angle 4, the supplement of angle 4. Find the measures of angle 4 and 5. If the complement of angle 5 equals the supplement of angle 4, find the measures of angle 4 and 5. Find the measures of angle 4 and angle 5. Yeah. So here you don't have to find any relation. The relation is given. The complement of angle 5 equals the supplement of angle 4. So here you don't go to the figure and see the relation between 5 and 4 because there is some other relation given. There is a relation given to you already here. The complement of angle 5 is equal to the supplement of angle 4. Okay. So what is given? Solution. The complement of angle 5 is equal to the supplement of angle 4. So what is the complement of angle 5, children? What is the complement of angle 5? What is the expression? Yeah.
90 minus
90 minus angle 5, ma'am.
90 minus angle 5. Correct. 90 minus angle 5. 90 minus angle 5. What is the supplement of angle 4?
180 minus angle 4.
180 minus angle 4. Correct. 90 degrees minus angle 5. Complement is two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degrees. So if one angle is 10 degrees, its complement will be 90 minus 10, 80 degrees. 90 minus 10. If one angle is 10 degrees, its complement will be 90 minus 10. So so the angle is angle 5 here. Its complement will be 90 minus 5. And similarly, if one angle is 10 degrees, its supplement will be 180 minus 10. Supplement will be 180 minus 10. If the angle is 10 degrees, its supplement will be 180 minus 10. So here the angle is 4, angle 4. So its supplement will be 180 minus angle 4. 180 minus angle 4. So you can just now see here, there are two unknowns, 4 and 5. There are two unknowns, 4 and 5. So bring 4 and 5 to the same side. So you will get angle 4 minus angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 90. Angle 4 minus angle 5 is equal to 90 degrees. So you're getting an equation like this. So now you have to go back to the figure and find some other connection between angle 4 and angle 5. What is the other connect? What is from the figure? How are they related? Angle 4 and angle 5?
Co-interior
angles, ma'am.
Add up to 180.
Correct. But angle 4 also angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 because co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So that's 2. So you need to solve these two equations. You need to solve the equations 1 and 2. See, the information is given in the question. Complement of angle 5 is equal to the supplement of angle 4. See here, equals. That's why I put the equal to sign. Complement of angle 5 equals supplement of angle 4. Whatever is given, we have written that as an equation. Complement of angle 5 is 90 minus 5. And supplement of angle 4 is 180 minus angle 4. So when you work this, you get angle 4 minus angle 5 is equal to 90. That is the unknowns. We are keeping the unknowns on one side. Like if you have x and y, we keep x and y on one side and the number, that constant, on the other side. If we have unknowns like x and y or variables like x and y, we keep x and y on one side and the constant, the number, on the other side. So here angle 4 and angle 5, they are the unknowns. So have those two angles on the same side and have the number, the constant, on the other side. So that way, so using that, we get angle 4 minus angle 5 is equal to 90 degrees. And from the figure, we know that angle 4 plus angle 5 is 180 degrees. Now solve these two equations. So solving equation 1. And equation 2, we get angle 4 minus angle 5 is equal to 90. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Now you don't have to change the signs as it is minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled. So twice of angle 4 is equal to 270. Angle 4 is equal to 270 divided by 2. Angle 4 is equal to 135 degrees. Now substituting angle 4 is equal to 135 degrees in equation say 1. Okay, we get angle 4 minus angle 5 is equal to 90. 135 minus angle 5 is equal to 90. Minus angle 5 is equal to 90 minus 135. Minus angle 5 is equal to 45 degrees. Minus 45, sorry. So angle 5 is equal to 45 degrees. Angle 5 is equal to 45 degrees. Yes, children, please take down. You are done this slide, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody still working? Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I clear the slide? Yeah. Sorry, 1 second. Yes, children, find X. Please take down the figure. Okay. So for the solution, children, for the solution, produce CD to meet AB at E. See here, produce CD. Produce CD. See, this is CD. All of you, please look. This is CD, children. This is CD. Produce CD, meaning produce it like this. Produce CD to meet AB at E. You all understand that? Produce CD. This is the line segment CD. Produce it to meet. So use dotted lines for producing. Okay, use dotted lines. So produce CD to meet AB at E. Is that clear? You please draw the figure again. This is the question figure. I have done the construction in the question figure itself. You please draw the figure again for the solution and do the construction in that solution figure, not in the question figure. Then you will not know what the original figure in the question was. Please draw the same figure in the solution and do the construction there. So produce CD to meet AB at E. Now you can mark this angle. You mark this angle, you call it A, Y, any letter, X is there. So say I call it A. Say I call it A. How will you find A, children? What is the measure of angle A? How do you find A?
Ma'am, using angle sum property, we have to find angle AED, ma'am. And then using angle E, ma'am. And then we can find with the help of linear pair.
That's what this concept is given straight away in some other property. What is that? How can you find angle A straight directly without
Exterior
finding
angle property?
Yeah, let's use that, children. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. See, it's like this. See the figures like this. like this. It's like this. There is C here, there's A here and E here. And this is that angle A. This is 30 degrees and this is 55 degrees. This is 55 degrees. So exterior angle property. Okay, so A is equal to 55 plus 30. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So A is equal to 85 degrees. Now see the other figure. See the other figure. It's something like this. There's D here. There is E here. There's A here. B, 45 and X. Now tell me, how do you find X? X is equal to?
A plus 45, ma'am.
A plus 45. Again, exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So X is equal to 85 plus 45. X is equal to 130 degrees. X is equal to 130 degrees. Exterior angle property. So you can see here, children, this is the exterior angle. See, this side of the triangle is produced. This side of the triangle is produced and an exterior angle is found here. This angle is equal to, leave this angle, interior angle. See, a triangle has 3 interior angles. You will have to add 2 of the interior angles. A triangle has 3 interior angles. You will have to ignore 1 interior angle and add the remaining 2. Which one to ignore? So this is the exterior angle. Ignore the interior angle just next to it. This is the exterior angle. Leave this interior angle. Neglect this interior angle. Add these 2 angles. That's what it is. X is equal to, leave this one. Ignore that. X is equal to A plus 45. But A we already found 85. So 85 plus 45, 130 degrees. Is it fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children. Can I clear the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
One more and we'll wind up the session for today. Yes, children. What's the measure of angle X?
Ma'am?
Yes, Sanjay?
Ma'am, near in D we should mark angle A, ma'am.
Correct. Yeah. Reason?
Ma'am, because 60 and angle A are alternate interior angles, ma'am.
Correct. Correct. They're alternate interior angles. Correct. Then what's the measure of x?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah. Oh, the question is find x, children. Okay, so since it's time, I'll just
Angle sum property, ma'am.
angle sum property. Very good. Angle sum property. So children, you should, copy the figure again in the solution, and then you can mark this angle. You can just mark this angle as A. You can just mark this angle as A. Now, AB is parallel to CD. It's marked. You can see these arrows indicate parallel lines. So AB is parallel to CD, and AD is the transversal. AD is the transversal. Is it transversal? See here. See here. This is AB, transversal AD, and again parallel line DC. This is BA, the parallel line BA, transversal, the other line DC. Now here we have 60 degrees. So these angles are alternate interior angles. So A is also 60 degrees. So AB parallel to CD, AD is a transversal, A is equal to 60 degrees, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior, A is equal to 60 degrees because alternate interior angles are equal. Now, in triangle CDE, A plus X plus 45 is equal to 180. Angle sum property. Angle sum property in a triangle. A plus X plus 45 is equal to 180. Angle sum property. A 60 plus X plus 45 is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 105. X is equal to 75 degrees. So the value of X is 75 degrees. All right, children, please take a screenshot. It's getting late for my next class. Please take a picture.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, very good. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.